Hello, welcome to Sasmedia Studio. In this video I am going to show you how to create a logo for your brand, for your blogging website, for your businesses. Okay, and before we proceed, I want you to just subscribe, okay, so that whenever we upload a video you will be notified. Don't forget to click on that bell icon, okay, that is a notification icon. Now, just like this video as a way of appreciating us and also making us aware that you love our videos and you want more from us. Now, before we proceed, just go and watch my intro. So now I welcome you to our wonderful website, canva.com. So I'm going to leave the link at the description down below so you check it out. Okay, so now what Canva is going to help us is Canva will help us to create posts, posters, logos, presentations, videos, as you can see over here. So we can create flyers, social media and everything. Okay, so YouTube thumbnail, we can create it over here. Now, before we are here to create a logo, so you just click on this logo sign over here, or just come down here and click on get Canva free, okay, or start free trial, okay, or you can just sign up over here. Okay, so just click on the logo over here. Okay, so this is where you will be landed. Okay, so that is it. So let's keep the tour. I am already a good user over here. So we are going to choose this random logos over here, or you can create your own from scratch. Okay, so if you want to create your own from scratch, you can use this element. When you click on element over here, okay, so you can create your own from scratch. So let's say you are into music, you can type music over here to get element under element under music. I mean music element. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we have photos, we have graphics. So let's click on the graphics. Okay, so these are the graphics you can find under music. So if you see this crown over here, what it means is it is a paid version. Okay, it is a paid version, so you cannot use it without subscribing to their paid plan. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Just click on this. So you can change the colors. Okay, I can change the color to this, change this color to blue and change this color to red. Okay, so that is it. Then I can come here, click on text, then just, so I'm going to choose a font. Okay, font, so I'm going to use this font. I'm going to use, so this is a pro font. Okay, so don't click on that. Pro font. Okay, so I can use this font. Okay, so that is it. So you can change this. So I can just change this to music and change this to lab. Okay, and something like that. I can just bring it over here, down here. Then I can reduce some of the font, this font. Okay, so I can change the spacing. Okay, down here the letter spacing to be more closer. Okay, so that is it. So I can change the font style of the first one, or I can change this font, rather I can change it back to this. Okay, or change it back to this. Okay, so that is it too. I hope you understand. I can just also add the lab over here, then delete this one, then this, just bring it here. So just try to make something cool for yourself. Okay, you can change the color to blue. Okay, I mean this color is cool. So this is my nice logo. Okay, this is my nice logo. Okay, this is my nice logo. Okay, so you just after making your edit and feeling cool, feeling ivory, so you just click on the download button over here. Okay, so so you have to put it to PNG. Okay, PNG format, and click on download. Okay, so if you want transparent background, you need to pay. I mean, subscribe to their paid plan. If you want to compress to the lower quality, you need to click on the paid plan. Better still, don't worry at all, because I have another tool which can help us to remove the background of this image. Okay, so don't worry about that one. Okay, so just click on download. So you just sign up. Okay, sign up. Okay, you can choose to sign up, you can choose to just ignore. Okay, and just we don't have to sign up. Okay, so as you can see, this is our new logo. Okay, so this is how you can create logo using canva.com. okay, this is how you can create logo using canva.com. okay, so now that is it. So if you want to remove the background, okay, so just go to remove.bg. okay, remove.bg.com. so I'll leave the link at the description down below. Just click on that and you'll be redirected to this wonderful page. Okay, so this is the wonderful website. Okay, remove.bg.com. okay, so what I'm going to do, remove.bg. okay, what we are going to do is just click on upload image. Okay, then you select the image. I've forgotten the name. Oh, where is my name? Where is it? Okay, so this is it. So just click on the image, open. Okay, so now our image has been the background of the image has been removed successfully. So all you have to do is you have to click on the download button, and that's all. So as you can see, we have the removed background section, and we have the one with the background also available. Okay, now subscribe to this YouTube channel and give a thumb up if you like this video, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified when you subscribe. That's what you get. Okay, you get nothing, just notification. Okay, and you are not going to be deducted as well. So now let's meet next time.